Welcome back to Tech Hub Side. In today's videos, I'll be sharing with you guys the best online investment platform which you need to make use of in terms of investing and making back profit in returns. Okay, so in case if this is actually your first time watching my video here on YouTube and you haven't yet subscribed, I'd like you to take just 5 seconds of your time, hit the like button, subscribe, and also turn on the bell so that anytime I upload a new video here on YouTube, you will be the first to get notified. Okay, so in today's videos, I'll show you the best investment platform which you can make free $500 money every day. Okay, life. Okay, this is life proof. Okay, so in case if this is your first time, make sure you subscribe to this my channel and turn on the bell so that anytime I upload a new video, you will be the first to get notified. Okay, so let's get started now. So I'll be going over to my browser and search for derive.com. Okay, derive. Okay, so let's hit on it. Once you have insert the keyword derive, okay, just hit on search and Google will show up the derive for you. So all you need to do is to click on it and allow it to open. Okay, so let's look and see how their site looks like. Okay, this is actually how their site looks like. Okay, you can see here simple, flexible, and reliable. Okay, trade forex, synthetic stocks and indexes, cryptocurrencies and commodities. Okay, so actually this is the site which you can make use of in terms of investment, so you can get back your 95% of your investment. Okay, so they have the mt5 extension and the MetaTrader for extension. Okay, so you can trade on them if you actually want to make money with them. Okay, so they are good enough, they are very good. Okay, so they have been in the industry for more than 25 years now. Okay, for more than 20 years now. Okay, so they are well trusted. Okay, so they have different type of pairs which is the trade. They have different type of pairs which are the ones I early mentioned to you guys. Okay, so trade type, trade the way you want with three flexible trade types. Okay, so you can trade the way you want on this platform with three different trade types. Okay, which is the CFDS. You can trade on CFDS, which is trade with leverage and low spread for better returns on successful trade. Okay, so apart from that, you can also trade on multipliers. Okay, you can multiply your potential profit without risking more than your okay, so you can trade on multiplier. Okay, so that is it. You can also trade on options which are earn fixed payout uh, uh, by predicting access price movement. Okay, so you can earn money on fixed price on the option side. Okay, so the actually their platform choose from eight powerful, each designed with your need in mind. Okay, so actually you can get their app on Google Play Store or Apple Store. As you can see here, they have about 11,619 trust pilot reviews. Okay, so they are well trusted all over the world. Okay, they are well trusted all over the world. Okay, so you can go ahead and create an account using demo. Create an account with demo account. Okay, start 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 to practice and figure out your own trading pattern, your own trading setup that will work for you. Okay, so in case if this video help a lot, make sure you don't forget to hit the thumbs button, and don't forget also, if this is your first time watching my video here on YouTube and you haven't yet subscribed, then I'd like you to take just 5 seconds of your time, can hit the like button, subscribe and turn on the bell so that anytime I upload a new video on YouTube, you'll be the first to get notified. Thanks, see you next on my next video. Bye.